1, go!
All right, we are underway here. Match number 48. SuperNURDs missing their first Qual attempt. All robots moving once again. See if SuperNURDs get their second. They do. Surf City Vikings get another one. Looks like they got in on level 3. SuperNURDs knocking out their first attempt. The third one landing at level 1. 26-9. Red Alliance in the lead. Early on here, SuperNURDs quickly clearing that algae. Off the Red Alliance Dream, shooting it up into that net. That's a 4.44 on Red Alliance, but over on the blue side of the field, JetStream trying to play a little bit of catch up here too. Qual scoring a level 4. SuperNURDs, another one up and in to that net for the Red Alliance. Red now leading 54 to 28. Minute 45 left to go. SuperNURDs switching over to Qual now, starting to work on scoring Qual at level 4. As are their partners, Surf City Vikings, who are working on scoring Qual at level 3. Now 5 Qual scored at level 4. Seeing if the Red Alliance is thinking about that Qual ranking point, so they switch the scoring to some of the lower levels. Meanwhile, JetStream continuing to try and score up high for the Blue Alliance and close this gap. 86 to 37, less than a minute 20 left to go. Surf City Vikings trying to get another piece of Qual from their hero player. They got it. We now have 5 pieces of Qual scored at level 3, now 6. SuperNURDs making super fast cycles here. Quickly filling up that third level. They're going to switch to a lower level. Yeah, they're working on level 1 now. 105 to 59. We're very comfortably in the lead with less than a minute left to go. Both Alliance have done the competition bonus. They only need 5 Qual and 3 different levels instead of 4. And the Red Alliance has achieved their Qual ranking point. The Red Alliance has got 2 of the bonus ranking points. We'll see if they can get that third one and make them potentially a 6 ranking point match. And here comes SuperNURDs scoring another one there. Surf City Vikings starting to get blocked out there by 97-30. That's Metal Maniacs out of Escondido. Blocks on wheels there, trying to block out some of these Red Alliance scores. That's how we are in the endgame portion of the match. SuperNURDs hooking onto that deep barge for the Red Alliance. They lift themselves up. Meanwhile, Surf City Vikings trying to do the same. See if we get a double hand here on our Red Alliance.